Hey everybody, I wanted to do a quick little review on Tab for a Cause. So this was so much easier to install and use than what I thought it would be. I thought it would be really intrusive. But there's only these two little ads that come up. One in the bottom right corner and one in the bottom corner. So what you do is you open up a new tab, this little counter goes, and then it loads up your little commercials that you just ignore. So you open up another tab, this goes around, and then when it goes all the way around, you earn 5. And the cause that I'm going for is shows how many water purifying aqua tabs your tabs can provide families in Ukraine. So you can do other organizations besides helping out the families of Ukraine. There's a whole bunch of different charities and whatnot, but I think that this is something that everybody should use. I mean, it's fairly easy. It's really easy to install. Once it's installed, it's really easy to uninstall if you don't want to do it anymore. It just and the whole everything is just very easy to use. I mean, all you have to do is open a tab, and then go to whatever website you want. Let's go Google really quick, and I mean it doesn't even show anything on the regular Google window. It only shows you advertisements on the new tab that you opened up. And I'll just go ahead and keep doing this and let this finish out. And now I'm at 5. I mean that's literally all there is to it. It's really easy to do. It's really easy to install. I would highly recommend everybody do it. So that's my little review, if you want to call it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.